yung pagbabalik mo, inakala mo ba na ganun kabilis yung turnaround ng San Miguel?
Yeah, hindi ko nga akalain na makakabalik agad ako. Although, before I reinstated as a head coach, ibinalik na ako sa team and just to overlook what's really happening. And then, I'm so fortunate those time na hindi ako involved sa team because during that time is a World Cup season na ginawa dito. And I was able to watch most of the game. Every day, nasa MOA ko, Araneta, to figure out what's really happening in basketball internationally. And I pick up a lot of things. And that's the reason why I think if you notice, our defense is different from the past. And from there, so ni-apply ko sa team namin, and then I keep on watching the game, the semifinals, and then the tendencies of the players, the coach, and then it helps a lot. And that's why itong mga players, pagbalik ko as a head coach, so nanibago sila from day one talagang we've gone into basic from 1-on-1 to 5-on-5, both on offense and defense. And I was able to define the roles of each and everyone. And then if you notice, there's no point guard na magkakasabay sa loob And then wingman, almost the same position sila dahil actually some of the players hindi ko na nagamit because crowded yun But because of defining the roles, alam nila as long as the team is winning, so there's no problem with them. But there's a opportunity for them to play and ibinibigay nila yung quality minutes And that's one thing that's why we're here in the championship and winning this All-Filipino Championship.